Unboxing the meaning of mail order in English. Hello, English explorers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a term that's as exciting as it is historical: mail order. Whether you've heard it in movies, read it in a book, or stumbled upon it while surfing the web, this phrase has a rich backstory and a place in today's digital world. So, let's unwrap the meaning together and see how it fits into different contexts. The phrase, mail order, refers to a system of buying goods where you select products from a catalog, website, or advertisement, then order them to be delivered to your home by mail. Historically, it was a way for customers in remote or rural areas to buy products that were unavailable locally. Now, with the internet, mail order has become a cornerstone of online shopping. Mail order has a storied past, beginning in the late 19th century. It gained popularity when Sears, Roebuck & Company started to distribute their famous catalogs. Families would eagerly await the newest edition to order everything from clothes to houses. This system revolutionized retail by giving consumers direct access to a myriad of products at competitive prices. Today, mail order isn't just about ordering through the post. It's become synonymous with e-commerce and online shopping. Whether it's books from Amazon or groceries from an online store, mail order is now how we refer to almost any remote purchase that is delivered to our doorstep. Let's practice how to use mail order in everyday English. I just placed a mail order for a new laptop. My grandparents used to buy their home appliances via mail order. The mail order business has boomed with the rise of the internet. These sentences show the flexibility and current usage of the term in everyday life. And that's a wrap on mail order. From its catalog beginnings to the click of a button, this phrase has traveled through time to remain relevant in our modern vocabulary. We hope you found this journey through time as fascinating as shopping for your favorite items from the comfort of your home. Until our next video, keep practicing your English and exploring new terms. Happy learning, and see you soon!